Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing practically an unboxing of everything I've picked up over the last few weeks. And as you can see, I've picked up quite a lot. So we're going to start with obviously the main package in the middle. So I picked this up last week and it's the Supreme North Face Fleece, and it's in that white colour with Supreme branding all over it in multi-colours. I'm not going to unpackage it because I don't think I'll be keeping it. Don't really like it in person, it's a bit too bold for me and something I would never really wear. So I just picked it up. It was just a rash purchase, probably a panic purchase. But yeah, this is one of the things I picked up. Might give it away, don't know, might sell it, just haven't really decided what I'm gonna do with this. So now we'll get into the shoes. So this month has been good in terms of the quantity that I've purchased. However, the items that I chose to purchase haven't been the best. So I'll give you an example, which will be this one right here. Really nice shoe, I think. Jordan 5 in that icy blue color. Not reselling, not holding its value at all, so price is just going down, even though I think it's a really clean colorway. Thought this would do a lot better in terms of a girl's colorway. I thought this would be very popular, however it's not. So I actually got 2 pairs of this, and I'm probably going to end up making a loss on them, but oh well, got to do a video on them. But I got 2 pairs of these, and that was a big regret. So I will sell these eventually, just don't know when. Next on the left hand side here is one I'm actually very happy with, and quite a few people in the comments are probably going to roast me saying these are bricks, but I don't really care. I think this colorway is amazing. So this is the Mix Oak colorway, and Yeezy hasn't really done anything like this. This is pretty out there, and I really do like the multicolored look. It's just a shame that they are releasing them towards winter. I do actually have a holiday book, so I will be wearing these then, but these would be great during the summer months, so I just think it was a bad timing for when they released, but I really do like this colorway. Let me know down below in the comments if you like this colorway. I just think that's so different and out there, and I just really like it. Can't really say much about it. I'm not really about the bold colors, but this one I really do like. So as you'll see from this video, there are quite a lot of Yeezys. I believe this is another of the Mix Oak. So I did actually purchase a few pairs. I know they are bricking right now, but I think eventually they will be going up in price, so I am going to hold on to them for a little while. We're going to stick to the Yeezy side, I guess. So Adidas did a restock of certain colorways of the Yeezy. I have actually already sold these, but this is the Antelia colorway, and again, nice colorway. Just hate that middle stitching going from the top here. Just looks like it's been stapled on and just looks like the old previous fakes when they used to do that. And just not a big fan of that, but overall colorway, really nice. Again, probably a summer shoe once again. So it's coming to winter. Just want to offload these. I'm gonna lower down the right hand side now. So this one was, again, exclusive access on Confirmed app, I believe. Managed to get in there really quick. Picked up the Yeezy 450, otherwise known as the Yeezy Gyoza, because it looks like a gyoza. I actually got these in a UK 9.5. I've had these previously on the channel and they were in a size 9 and they were really tight, so I actually got these in a 9.5, so I actually might consider wearing these. Undecided. These are a bit wild, but I really do like the color, and it's something a bit different, and I have heard that these are incredibly comfy. So this is maybe something I will try. Not really sure if I can pull them off myself, but we'll give it a go. Just think something quite wild, and I really like how it's a smaller box. They're packaged very tightly, and I just really like the design, I guess. I think it's just out there and really cool. Don't know what this one is. This one is Ash Pearl. So I think this is sold as well, actually. This was another restock on the Confirmed app. And this is one of my favorite Yeezy colors to release in a while. I actually really do like this colorway, and I got this in a small size, so I have actually already resold it. But yeah, I really do like the colors on this. The 2-tone upper, or actually 3-tone upper, is very nice if you include the stripe. Yeah, just a good everyday wear, and if you don't have a pair of Yeezys, this one's relatively cheap, and I think you should probably go for this one. On this side, I actually haven't unboxed this one yet. This is still packaged. I believe this is another Mix Oak, but could be wrong. Open it up. Is the Yeezy 350, so I'm assuming it is the Mix Oak. Not really sure how to put that box. This is a really small size, so this is a 5.5. So this is what it looks like. small. Still really happy with this colorway, as I've said before, and the shoes just look way better when they're smaller. So this size is really cool. We'll probably resell this at some point when the price decides to go up, which I believe it will. So this one is a pretty special one. And I actually got this from Pata's website. So you already know what this is. It is the Air Max. And yeah, the box is really cool. On the box it says "Get Familiar" on the top. And then it says Pata got love for all. It has the Pata logo and then has the Nike logo as well. I believe this is the special box. They called it a special box, but it just has the bracelet that comes with it, because I got this directly from Pata. Paid so much for import fees, so actually the resale value is practically gone. But this is the shoe itself. I wish it was a brighter orange. However, it's not. It's actually a quite dull autumn-based orange, I would say. But I've never really been an Air Max kind of guy, just had to buy it because of what kind of silhouette this is and what it represents. It does come with the bracelet as well in this little bag. Oh, if I could undo it. So the bracelet, oh wow, it's absolutely tiny. I actually expected it to be a little bit bigger, but it is absolutely tiny. It says Pata on it, has flag on the other side as well, and the Nike swoosh. So pretty cool. I don't think I'd ever wear the bracelet, and I don't think I'd actually ever wear the shoes. So I will sell these at some point, or maybe even give them away again. But nice colorway, like what it represents. So as you can tell by the box lid, what this one is: Air Jordan 4, yellow. It's pretty much all you need to know about the shoe. I got this from Pro Direct. They restocked there. Missed out on the first release, so just decided to pick them up. I only really got this one because I have a fake pair on the way. So I will be doing a comparison between the two pairs and just seeing what the differences are to help you if you're trying to buy a retail pair. But this is again one that I won't be keeping. Air Jordan 4s, not my favourite silhouette. They're a bit too chunky for me, I think. But I do like the off-white sail ones just because of the colourway, and I do like the black cats as well. So those are pretty much the only two Jordan 4s I like. Other than that, it's not really a silhouette for me, and this colourway is far too bold for me. I'm all about my neutral colours, so this doesn't really suit me. Loads of people are going to probably say to me, I picked up so many shoes that I wouldn't actually wear, and this is another one, because I would not wear these. But I picked these up to take some photos for Instagram and to do a video on these as well. This is the Yeezy 700 Wash Orange. It's not bad. It's not a bad colorway. I just think that the orange and the greys don't really match in terms of a silhouette colorway. It just looks a little bit off to me. I think I would have liked it with a different colored sole. I think the orange just looks a bit off. Imagine this with a black sole with the grey upper. I think that would just look absolutely amazing. But it just annoys me sometimes when the colorways they bring out, they don't really match. And otherwise the colorways are all very similar. So that's the two options we have. They don't match, or they're really similar. That's just my personal opinion on these. But I do really like this silhouette. The Yeezy 700 V1 is a clean silhouette and is pretty much an everyday wear. And I've got the OG version of this, and I wear that all the time. It's probably one of my favourite Yeezy ever to release. But this one, the colorways just don't do it for me. So that's everything that I have picked up over the last few weeks. I have had a lot of fakes in. Let me know if you would like me to do the same kind of video, but with the fakes that I get in every single month, and I can do that for you. But thank you very much for watching. Let me know, out of all the things that I've picked up this week and month, what would you pick up and what would you be keeping and what would you be letting go? Because I'm practically letting go everything I picked up because I don't actually like them. So I just kind of picked it up for the video for you guys, and I will now be selling them. Let me know if you would like any of them, and I'll probably give some away. But thanks very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.